What's up, guys? Today we're gonna be going to McDonald's and we're gonna be walking 50 minutes to get one French fry, aka the one piece. What's up, John?
What the hell?
Yeah. Yeah. Alright, who wants to hold it?
Your mom. Wait, Rod, it's like GTA 5.
Oh my god. Yeah, that's right. Dude, what the hell? Alright guys, so we need to go through that hole. Let's go, John.
Okay.
I'm Spider-Man.
That's scat.
Alright, so me and Ryan are gonna be playing Crossy Road.
Wait, what? We should go down the slight detour.
Yo, Shrek's swole. Dude, that is actual shit water. That is actual shit water.
10,000 likes and I'll drink. Actually, fuck that. I can't do that.
Oh, that's actually pretty cool.
Yeah, that's like some Minecraft generation.
Yo,
what seat is this?
Remember me asking if it was a walkable distance?
No, it is.
Yeah, we still have 37 minutes on our belt. And we're halfway there. 37?
Oh, no,
There's no sidewalk. I completely forgot we were on the journey for the One Piece. Can we get much higher? So high.
The Ram Ranch. Wait, is that like... Is that highway like a... Does that have a sidewalk on it?
Wait to find out.
I don't know. Oh, this is lovely. This is so beautiful. Bro, they need to add some sidewalks here. This is actually outrageous. Also, for anyone who like just hates on McDonald's just to hate on it because it's like unhealthy, like you actually admit though, because like it legit tastes good. That's just how it is.
I want a Mickey D in my butt.
We have sidewalk. Oh my god.
Thank God.
Your biggest cut for the second entirety of Jumanji.
Fuck.
That's just a single.
Dude, that would be...
I hate
amazing.
sinkholes. Sinkholes fucking scare me.
Yes, sir. You got a hog?
Yeah, go. I can't believe I'm visibly being so cringe that I'm recording shit.
Yeah, I got you. I'm cringe. John drinking water. Make this a gift. There you go. New channel emote on the Twitch.
You think I can land this water bottle on his head?
Yeah.
I pooped.
Ooh. Alright guys, so I'm gonna be running away from my friends. They won't catch up. Yeah, let's go. Alright, they won't see me. They won't see me here. They won't ever see me. Boy ass goblin.
Would you guys rather pee soda or poop out fried chicken?
Poop fried chicken.
Pea soda. Dude, imagine the videos.
No, poop fried chicken, bro.
Why?
Chicken is way
You're
better.
pooping bone.
I don't care.
And the crispy skin too.
Dude, it's spicy.
Oh, Apex Legend, no way.
Bro, dude, it's like Apex Legends. That's awesome.
Dude, this is the most lively plant in Texas. Oh shoot, we pick it up. Thank you, Alex. Hey, where are you going?
What?
Oh shoot. No, it's symbolic. We need to carve our own path. Okay, he's saying it's good. Oh yeah, it continues.
Bro, Ryan's violating me today.
This better be like the best McDonald's I've ever had, bro.
Bro, imagine the echo if you farted.
Ron, what the fuck? We're walking a single file line, guys. Yes, sir. Oh, it's a sign. Right, what do you say about this, Ryan?
Early wakers.
Ba-da-ba-ba-ba. Dude, Ryan wants to
Ryan wants that McDonald's.
I don't think he's just lost hope.
Ryan. Huh?
Because if you're shredded and you say poggers,
Hey, no.
It's John. Oh. Alex, this is like an album cover. Yeah, there you go. Are we there yet? Ryan, are we there yet? No? 12 minutes. Fuck me.
dude, my TikTok is like virgin.
Oh.
Rod, you surf. Surf?
Surf on the water.
Wait, what the?
It literally is Harley Quinn.
Yeah, good.
Wait, what?
Yeah.
Oh, we're gonna get it.
These nuts. Hey boys, we're at LA Fitness now. Yes, sir. Where's the sponsorship? Holy shit. Oh. Ooh. Oh my. John, show him. Holy. Ryan. Ooh. Ooh. No shot. The one piece. What the hell?
Let's go.
What the hell?
Dude, no.
One piece.
That's high.
Oh, I'm about to run to a pool.
Oh, dude, that's ridiculous.
No, yeah, that just hyped me up. We finally fucking made it.
The McDonald's is right fucking
That was
there.
the most horrendous trail thing I've ever seen.
That's right.
Hi, this is a little weird of both, but can I like by any chance order just like one single fry? Just like one. Yeah. I'm here right now. Oh, alright. I appreciate it. No problem. There we go. Alright, you too. The One Piece! The One Piece is real!
Can we get much higher?
Hey guys, we finally did
Yeah,
it.
so we got the One Piece, you know, Oda, suck it.